Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view what type of RAM does my laptop use. The first thing you will do is right-click on the Start menu and open the Task Manager there. In the Task Manager, go to the Performance section. Here, in the Memory section, you can find all the details of the RAM memory you currently have in your laptop. As another option, go to the link we leave you in the video description so you can download the utility. When it is installed, open the tool from the search box. Wait for the utility to load. When completed, open the Memory tab. There you will find all the details of the memory on your laptop. You will see the type, size, and extra data. After this, in the tab SPD, you will find much more complete details of your RAM memory. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.